How to log into the BBC staff account. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. The British Broadcasting Corporation (BBC) is a British public service broadcaster headquartered at Broadcasting House in London, England. Originally established in 1922 as the British Broadcasting Company, it evolved into its current state with its current name on the New Year's Day 1927. If you are the employee of BBC, you want to open up any web browser and then search for BBC Staff in order to log into your account. Here, click on the option of BBC Staff Portal. You're going to find different options here such as Gateway, Email, Reset your password, Unlock your account. All of this is the Access for Staff system. If you want to log into your account, you can click on the option of Gateway, which is going to log you into the gateway. On this page, you will have to enter your email or BBC username. After that, enter your password and then click on the login option. If you are facing any difficulty while logging in, you can click on the option of Can't Log In at the bottom. On this page, if you have forgotten your password, you can click on the first option. Click on the second option if you have forgotten your email, or if your account is locked, you want to click on the third option. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.